Hi, my name is Martin, and today I'm going to talk to you about GHM Creator. GHM Creator is a great way to get information from the internet, put it together, and create an interactive multimedia workbook where you can share information that you found on the internet with your students in one place. Let's take a look at what I've created so you can have a better idea of what you could create. So here we are in my workspace, in other words, where I've created different lessons or workbooks that I am sharing with people. Now you may think, oh, it's going to be difficult to do this. It's actually complicated. It's very, very simple. Once you've found your information, you basically can add it quickly. Give you an example here. This is one that I created on the solar system. It took me less than 40 minutes. I grabbed all the YouTube videos about the different planets and the moon and actually asteroid belt. Then I basically added it simply to my lesson. It took me, I'm telling you, less than 40 minutes. I created a new page, and in a page, what it looks like is this. It's basically information that you type in. You put in the title, you put in the link for the YouTube video, then you put in where you get your information if you want to give them the source of the information. I got the information from Wikipedia, so I basically put that there. And then you basically add images by simply putting the links of the image in the text box here. That's it, it's done. If you want to add a pin on a map, because you're doing something maybe about history, I'm doing something on the solar system, you could basically select different animals or people or boats or planes or whatever. You just basically select it, and then you can pick the color. So let's just say you pick a mammoth, and then you put it in wherever you want on the map, and you click, and then you create an animation, and that will make the mammoth move around. It's that simple. Now, for more information about that, you'll have to see my video on how to create a lesson. Now, to keep showing you what else you can do, I've created another one that was very, very neat that I really liked, is about Heritage Canada. So what I did is I went and found all the videos about Heritage Canada, and then I put them in. So that way students can find them, and this is an example on a map. So I'll go on to the full-size map. I can click on it, and I can see my animation of where the boat went, and I created that animation. Now I can go back to the map. I can take a look exactly where it is. I can zoom in, zoom out. This is basically Google Maps. It's that simple. You can also add quizzes. This gives you the ability to evaluate the students, and these quizzes are sent to you in your profile in the classroom that that student is in, so you're able to correct it or basically see the grade that they got if you use the autocorrect system in GHM. So from here, I want to show you one last one that I created that I really like. It is for younger children, because you may be wondering, can I do things for younger children, is how to add, and these are a section of videos that I found, which I thought were really, really cool and very cute. And then it explains the numbers. But then I wanted to also add another video to show children where they can add things, you know, sort of like in the grocery store, and why adding is important. And then you could basically create a quiz on that to also evaluate if they understand that concept. Again, you just need to find the information, find the links, put them in, and the system does the rest for you. So GHM Creator is a great way to create lessons about anything and basically reach your students in an interactive multimedia way. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and check out our other videos that explain even more information about GHM Academy. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon. Take care.